Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Bleacher Report app on an iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the App Store, which is this right here. Once you have it opened, go to the search page. And if you don't have that app right now, click over here on the bottom left-hand corner and it should take you here. Once you're here, tap over here in the search bar and type in Bleacher Report as this first result right there. So I'll tap on that. And then the second result actually now is this right here. So I'll click on it. And then to download it, I'll click over here where it says get. And then it's asking me to confirm if I want to download this. Yours might look slightly different, but follow whatever instructions that you get after you click on where it says get. So mine is just telling me to double click on the side button. There we go. So I confirmed it. And it will start downloading right here in a second. As you can see, this is the progress that is showing of the download. And once it's finished, you say open. There you go. So when it's finished downloading, it's gonna say open. So when you click on open, there it is. This is how you can download the Bleacher Report app on an iPhone. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, please click the like button because that helps me, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.